See that? All right.
It's on.
Yeah.
All right. You guys can see everything on my screen, right? You
Yes,
want the figure?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
What do you want me to tell?
All right. So question 1 says, which of the following statement is not true? Notice what it says, guys. Not true. Which is the answer?
A.
2 is a multiple of 4.
It says not true. It is true. It said not.
But think about it. Is 2 a multiple of 4?
Yeah,
No,
sir.
It's a factor.
It's a factor.
Yeah, yeah. So that means not true would be A. You see how they structure the question, guys? That's why I always allow my students to do this, because you have to read, interpret, and then answer. Alright? Let me make it a little bigger. I think I can make it a little bigger.
I don't understand B for number 1. What is it?
You don't understand why it's A?
No, like, sir,
She doesn't know what an integer is.
Oh, an integer is a positive or a negative number. So 3 isn't an integer. Negative 5, 4, all of those are integer. Integer is a set of positive and negative numbers. Alright? Yeah.
Yep.
Which of the following sets of numbers contain all of the prime numbers less than 20?
Less than 20, sir.
Yeah.
C.
That sounds like a question. Are you saying it's C or you're asking?
It's A.
Let's see.
A.
Alright, those who say A, why A?
Sir, because all of them have numbers that no other number can go into.
Alright.
All the prime numbers. Oh, yeah, it's A. But sir, with B, they have the number 9, and 3 can go into number 9.
Alright, what about C? Why couldn't this?
Sir, it's because, sir, 2 is a prime number.
Only prime 2 is a prime number.
Alright.
I think
Yeah. It's
2
actually
is a
C, guys.
prime number, sir.
It's actually C. This one, the left of 2.
2.
2 is a prime number. 2 is the only even number that is prime.
It's also a prime number.
That's a prime
Alright? So guys, we have to be careful with that. Remember, these come at the front part of your paper, especially curriculum based. So we have to be on top of our game for that. Alright? So it's actually C, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Alright, number 3. What is 2 raised to the third power?
6, B, sir.
Sir, 8.
Alright, those who say 6, explain why it's 6.
Sir, easier way. 3 is there, just say 2 times 3. Or you can say 2 times 2 times 2.
Sir,
Alright,
the answer is 4 times 2 is 8. C, sir. Sir, C, because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8.
Yeah. Guys, you have to be careful. I know that's a very common error that students make at times, where students just say 2 times 3 is equal to 6. But that's not quite correct, right? As the person had said, 2 times 2 times 2. Even though that person says it's 6, if you multiply this, 2 2s will be 4, and then
2 times 2 is 8.
8. So we have to be very careful with that, guys. These are what we call free mark. We don't want to make an error with that. Alright, so it's actually 8. Alright, number 4. What's the square root of 81?
9. B as in boy.
9, sir.
9.
Oh, you know it's 9.
9, sir.
9 times 1.
81.
Oh, you know it's 9. Explain why it's 9.
It's
9. Like, if it has a number like that, they mostly multiply it with that same number. And since 9 times 9 is 81.
Very good. It's what this is saying, guys. Square root means what number you multiply the number by itself to give you 81. And only 9 times 9 can give you 81. All right, we're going to skip out number 5 here. It's not a part of your syllabus, so we're going to skip that one. So yes, it would be 9 because 9 times 9 would be 81. I could just add in an extra question. What would be the square root of 64?
8.
8.
Sure.
Guys are awesome. Very good. All right, because 8 times 8 gives us 64.
Sure, I know the answer is 5.
All right, number 6. We might not see number 6, but I think you guys could do number 6.
Sir,
What is 4.9 times 10 to the second power? Think about this one carefully.
D.
All right, I hear D.
D.
Everyone is saying D?
Yes.
Wait,
sir. I'm trying to do a little.
Yeah, I agree. I love that. So do your little thing and then just to be sure. No. Boom, 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 boom. You know that Jeopardy song?
Sir, I got my answer.
What you got?
Sir,
I
C.
got C. Sir, D.
D. Everyone is saying D. What you got, Lakoy?
D, sir.
D
I got
also.
Sir, I got no, sir, cat.
I got
Cat. Oh, C. So you got C. Can you explain how you get C?
Okay, sir. So 10 squared is 100. And I times 100 by 4.9, and that will give me 490.
All right. So guys, Lakoy is saying that 10 square is 100. You guys know, I don't teach you this yet. You guys know how to multiply by like 100 and 1,000 and so forth?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, but then you have to write it as an integer.
Yeah. But what you have to do, you have to multiply first, and I think it will automatically give you the answer. Right? So if we should multiply by 100, what we do, we just count. When it's a decimal, right? What we do, we just count the number of decimal places, a number of zeros rather, right? And then we're gonna move that time. So we have 2 zeros. So what we're gonna be doing is to move 2 places to our right. Now we can only move 1 place, so let us add a 0. And then see here, 1, 2. So it actually be 490 and not 4,900.
That would only be 10 cube. But then, so you have to write it as an integer. But
490 is an integer. Remember, I said integer is a set of positive and negative
number.
So 490 is actually an integer. So once you get the 490, it's actually correct. Remember, you know, integer is just the set of positive or negative number. So 500 is an integer, 490 is an integer, 2, 1, negative 20, negative 99. All right.
Sure. Every number is an integer.
The set of positive or negative number, yeah. Except for 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative.
The answer for number 7 is 14 Celsius.
All right. Somebody want to answer number 17. And guys, trust me, this one is so tricky that even when I show people, sometimes they still don't get it.
C, sir.
See?
Sir,
All right, let us look at it, guys.
please.
Let us look at it. I'm going to show you how you approach this, right?
Sir,
So it says,
D.
on one day in Europe, the temperature outside was -9.
Sir, write it as an equation.
Temperature inside was 23 degrees Celsius. What was the difference in temperature?
Sir, in my math class, I learned that since there's a negative, when there's two negatives, like the minus and the negative, that just automatically means it's what's it called? It's addition.
All right, so what's your answer?
32 degrees Celsius.
32? All
Yes,
right,
sir.
thanks. Any other answer?
Sir, I still believe my answer is 14.
Excuse me,
I
sir.
still believe it's 14.
Hey man, go ahead. Go ahead. We're hearing. That you fell off.
Me, sir.
Yeah man, go ahead.
Sir, I think it's
6?
an A.
A, -32. Okay.
I
All
say
right. Go ahead. Somebody was saying they say something.
Sir, say I
Sir,
say six.
I
My answer.
I think it's 14 still.
Why 14, Karim?
Because I just since it said what was the difference in temperatures, I just subtracted -9 from 23.
All right. I know why you did that. But let me just show you something, guys. All right. So basically, how temperature work, anything below 0 is that what become negative, right? So if it's -9, it means it's below 0. So we can just put -9 here, and then now 23 would be above 0 because it's positive. So what they actually want is the distance from this. Even when I do it, guys, persons still don't understand it. But let me try to make you understand it as much as possible. The distance from here to here is 23. And the distance from here to here is 9. So it's actually 23 plus 9, which gives you a positive 32.
Sir, so that's
Sir, how did it turn to a positive 9?
No, look what
because
they ask. They ask for the distance. Distance means you can't have a negative distance.
it has to be
Sir
positive.
said the difference.
Distance, yeah. No, man.
Sir, it's kind of right.
Remember, guys, you cannot have a negative distance. How far away is -9 from 0? It's basically 9. How far is 23 from 0? 23, right? You just add them. So it's positive 32 for real. As I say, guys, over the years, a lot of people still don't get it. All right, we're going to skip out the binary one because that's not on our syllabus. But we're going to do number 9. I want you guys to try this one. Solve, use a pen and paper, and just answer it. All right? Solve 1 minus 0.08 plus 0.11 minus 0.
Sir, I think I learned this in my class.
Come on, it's decimal. Work it out, and then we can talk about it.
Did it say minus 0.08?
Come on.
Or is a dash to separate it?
No, man, minus. The operation is minus. So it's 1 minus 0.08 plus 0.11 minus 0.2.
Sir, I got the answer.
Sir, I got my
Sir, can you
answer.
please repeat what you just said?
It's there. 1 minus 0.08 plus 0.11 minus 0.2.
Okay, sir, got it.
Sir, I got mine.
All right, let me hear it. What you got?
Sir, I got C.
1 point.
Sir, I also got C.
Okay.
Sir, I got C.
C 1.01.
Sir,
Right.
I got C.
Everybody got C? Whoa. Does that mean it has to be C, right?
No, sir. Some people didn't pick C.
Okay. All right. All we want to do it. We want to do it step by step. All right. So we could look at this one first. We could actually add first, add this first, but I think we're gonna do it step by step. So we have 1. Well, we're gonna rewrite 1 as 1.00, right? And take away 0.08. Rule with decimal. Once you're adding and subtracting decimal point on the decimal point. Alright, so let's subtract. 8 from 0, we can't, right? Going to borrow from this one, which left 0. This is gonna leave 9, and then this put 10, right? 8 from 10.
2.
And then 0 from 9 is 9. So after the first operation, we have 0.92. So let's add 0.92 to 0.11. As remember, whatever operation they say we should do, we should do it, right? So 1 plus 2, that's 3.
3.
Plus 9, 10. So that's 0, carry the 1. So we know of 1 point.
Sir, I got B as my answer.
B.
Sir, and then you're going to take away 2.
So now we're going to take away 0.2. So remember the rule says decimal point, decimal point. Agree?
That's right.
0 from 3.
3 5.
All right. 2 from that you can't. So you basically go borrow the 1. So it's actually 0.83.
Yay, I got it right,
Yes,
sir.
sir. The answer is B.
Yeah.
That's what I got too.
Guys, don't worry,
Sir,
guys.
that's what
As soon teacher open to S decimal, it become A plus on decimals. All right. We haven't done that as yet.
But I was got it right.
Yeah. All right. Number 10, guys. A holiday maker has packed 2 bags. One weighs 13.5 kilogram and the other weighs 5.89 kilogram. The total allowance for baggage is 20 kilogram. How much more weight can the holiday maker add? Your challenge. Read it, interpret it, and watch it.
I got 1 and 6 1 for my answer.
Yeah, man, yeah, answer. Why would I not answer? Oh, you didn't take any break though. Because we didn't take a break. I thought you were on your break. Oh. Yeah, man. Oh, you're not in the group. I've never seen it in the group, yeah? But we do have a group.
Sir, I sent my answer.
No, you have WhatsApp it as in class. No, just WhatsApp it to him and I will do it. Yeah. Yeah, I understand that. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, correct. Yeah. Alright. Alright, guys, what's the answer? Anyone? Finish?
0.61, 0.1.
0.6.
As in dog.
Okay. As in
1.61.
dog, 1.61.
0.61.
Alright. Thanks, guys.
A as in
A as in apple. Alright.
Yes, sir. A as in.
Alright. Somebody who will get A, explain what you did.
Okay, sir. I'll do it. Okay. So first, I added 13.5 kilos to 5.89 kilograms, and I got 19.39 kilograms. Then I subtracted 20 kilograms. I subtracted 19.39 kilograms from 20 kilograms, and I got 0.61.
All right. Thanks so much. Somebody who got D, could you explain how you got D?
So, sir, I tried all of them, sir. So I added 1.61 to 5.89, and then I got 8.50, which is kind of close to 20.
But would that be the correct approach though? Because listen to what they are saying. They are saying 20 kilograms is the limit. And they say one bag weigh this and one bag weigh this. Would it make sense to add both of them to see the total weight for these? I would go that route instead of going at the options, right?
Yes.
I would do what the first person did. So let us see if it's correct. So we know that decimal point should be under decimal point. So we add, this will give us the total weight, right? So that's 9, 8 and 5, that's 13. So that's 3, carry 1. 5 and 3, 8 and 1, 9. So we now have 19.39. This is the total weight for the two bags or whatever way, right? And we have a limit, which is 20. So we cannot pass 20. So I would do that now and then take away 20. 19.39 from 20. That makes sense. So I will know how much more I'm allowed. Alright, so 9 from 3, I can't. All of them are 0. So I could just book, borrow, right? So we put 9 here, 9 here, and then 1, right? 9 from that would leave 1. 3 from 9 leave 6. And then this is 0. So this would be 0.61. So I agree with the first person. Remember, we don't want it to be close, right? We want it to be correct. And this would be the exact number that we're looking for. Agree, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. This one now. What is 54 times 2.06?
Sir, that would be.
Sir, that would be A.
Sir, and I got apple.
Sir, that would be A. That would be A, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone got A?
Yes, sir, I got A.
Yes, sir.
All right. So
Sir.
guys, what the
Yes, sir.
Thanks so much. What the rule says, we're gonna ignore the decimal point at first, right? So
I don't see what my answer is.
So we're just gonna multiply 206 by the 54. How we ignore the decimal point at first, right? Why my mouse moving like that? Like you don't want to do the work. All right. So 4 6s 24.
Sir, I did it using 54.
Okay. 4 times 0, that's 0, and we add the 2. 4 2s, right? We know we're going to multiply by 50, so we put a space holder to hold the space, right? To show that we're multiplying by 50. So 5 times 6, that's 30, so it's 3, carry the 0. 5 0 0, but 0 plus 3, that will give us 3. And then 5 times 2, which is 10. Everybody agree with that so far?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I didn't even work it out, so I don't even know.
What? 8 and 3, 11. 1 carry 1.
Yeah, I multiplied.
Originally, how many decimal places we had originally?
2.
So that means we should have 1, 2 decimal places. Yes, you guys were correct. Good job. Good job.
I did it wrong.
Oh, hush, hush, hush. All right. This one is conversion. We have not done that yet, so probably skip it out. Or we can make you guys challenge yourself.
Skip, sir.
Skip.
I don't know why this coming on, man. Hold on, guys. 2 person in the way.
This one, sir, that means we're going to have 2 extra questions.
All right. All right. I think you guys could try this one if you wish. Number 12. How many 0.75 liter bottles of water can be filled from a 15-liter water dispenser? We could try it if we want, or we could just ignore it. What you guys, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Skip.
No, sir.
Please, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Guys,
Skip.
look at it. Basically, we just want to say we're going to convert this to a whole number, right? So let's say we have 0.75. And so we have to divide, but we know we can't divide by a decimal, so we move 2 places. So this now becomes 75. But guess what? With the 15, we have to move the decimal place 2 places also. So this becomes 1500. So now we'll have 1500 divided by 75.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So 75 into 1, you can't. 75 into 15, you can't. 75 into 150.
2.
2. Very good. And then 2 times that will give you 150. So easy it is. So you subtract and you're gonna get 0. Carry down the 0. 2 into 0, 0.
Sir, I got B.
B
I got D. Dog.
as in
Yes,
dog.
dog.
Sir,
Yeah.
I got B as in bat.
Explain how you got it.
I got C as in
I
cat.
got 20.
Yeah, I think it's 20, but someone is saying B. Explain how you got B, guys.
Easy,
It's
but
one person. Explain how you got it.
Sir, I think it's B.
All right. Number 13, I'm expecting everyone to be able to do 13. What is 0.8 times 0.05?
So I worked it out already, sir, and I got 0.40.
Sir, I got A.
40.
Sir, I got 0.40.
Sir, I got. Oh, I get so much.
All right. Yeah, because I would ask the same thing. How we get so much, guys? So, guys, we know that we're going to ignore the decimal point at first, right? So, it's 8 times 5, which is 40. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
that's it.
So, now we're going to see how many decimal places we have in total. How many decimal places we have in total?
Sir,
3.
0.40.
Sir,
Three,
I got
sir.
I got
Actually,
4.0.
I got 0.40.
All right, all right. All right, so guys, we have 3 decimal places, right? Because we have 2 here. We have 2 here and 1 here. So that's 3 in total. So that means the decimal point is located here. So we're gonna, because we're gonna go 3
Sir, I
over left, right?
got 0.04.
All right, so we have 1, 2. We need to add a 0 because we only can move 2, and we need to move 1 more time. So the decimal point would drop here. So it's 0.040. But what they did, they play smart and they drop off the 0 here. So it's actually D. Alright. Just remember, guys, whenever we multiply,
That's what I was saying. That's what I got.
We ignore the decimal point at first, and then we put it in back based on the number. So we have a total of 3 decimal places, which is 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. So that means we should move 3 places to all left. 1, 2, add on a 0, and then 3. So there we have it. That's what it is. Let's move on to 14. Should we do this one? This one is
Pass.
again. You probably can skip that one here, guys. $16. Who want to take on 16? Even though we just started fractions.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, man.
Me.
All right, so everybody work it, and then I will make about 3 persons walk us through their solution.
Sir, which one, sir? 16 and 17?
16 and 17. You can do both. And then somebody walk us through their solution, step by step.
Sir, I got my answer.
Sir, I got my answer.
Double check it.
Yes, sir.
All right. Awesome.
Sir, I got my answer.
All right. All right. So tell you what. Who was the first person? Walk us through it.
Me, sir.
Sir, me.
Sir, you're going to add 1 plus 2, which is 3. You're going to add the whole numbers first, which is 3. And then the common
Sir, my answer.
denominator for E for 3 and 8 is 24.
All right. Let me just sketch you up. So you find your LCM, which you say is 24.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, walk us through it.
And then 8 into 24 goes 3 times. So you put times 3.
Thanks.
And then 3 into 24 goes 8 times. So you put times 8.
Oh, maybe. All right.
And then 3 times 3 is 9.
Sir, I got C as my answer.
And 1 times 8 is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. But you put back the 3 first.
Yeah, man, I understand. So you're saying it's C you got, right?
Yes, sir. So the answer is 3 and 17 over 24.
All right. Who had said A? That person still think it's
Sir,
A?
me, sir.
All right, walk us through the A.
I think my answer is really wrong.
The person for A, you're gonna walk us through it? Or you change your mind? All right. C is actually correct, guys.
17.
C is actually correct. Good
Sir,
job.
can you explain my answer for number 17, sir?
All right. Go ahead. We're gonna give you the floor now. Go ahead now. So you have 2 and 4/5 minus 1.5. Go ahead.
You have to work it out.
So you didn't work it out?
Oh, you haven't worked it out as yet?
Either.
Sir, let's give him a little bit of time.
I got D.
You're a bit low. You're a bit low. We hardly hearing.
Sir,
I
let's
got
give him a
D.
little bit of time.
Okay. All right. All right. So we're gonna give her a little bit of time, guys. I thought you had finished already. No problem.
Sir, I got D as my answer.
D as in dog. All right. Or B as in bat.
Me, sir. I got D as well.
B. Okay. All right. So we're waiting on the person who asked to explain, and then
So I got D.
Finish.
finished.
Yes, sir.
All right. So your time to explain, as you had asked, right?
First, time that is the denominator.
You're a bit low though. We hardly hearing. We hardly hearing. You have to talk up.
First, what I looked at was the denominators. So I found the least common multiple of both of them, which is 10. So I multiplied 5 times 2 and 4 times 2 and 2 times 5 and 1 times 5. So now that would be 2 and 8 over 10 minus 1 and 5 over 10.
I didn't
And
hear.
then
8. What you got here? 8 subtract what?
5.
And what's that equal to?
3.
And then
I subtracted the whole numbers. So 1 from 2 is 1.
okay. So your answer is what? C or D? All right. Everybody agree with this?
Yes, sir.
All right. But guys, please talk up. We hardly could hear. All right. It's correct. The next person want to explain, please talk loudly here.
Point
All right.
number 18.
Explain this one, please.
18. Let me see.
Yeah. This one says 3 and 1/3 minus 2 and 17. This
Sir,
one
can I explain this one, please?
Let me see.
because with this one, no, I want you guys to try it for yourself. Work it out.
Sir, are you still there?
Why are you still here?
Wait, sir, can I explain 19 instead?
You want to do 18 again?
No, 19.
All right. What you guys got though?
I don't want to.
Sir, I got B.
B, 1 and 11 over 30. All right. You want to explain?
Sir, I got B.
You want to explain B?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. So you can
So,
go
sir,
ahead.
first I took away the whole numbers. 3 take away 2, which is 1. So then I found the LCM, sir, which is 30. Sir, which is 30. So 3 into 30 goes 10 times. 1 times 10 equal 10. Take away. 10 into 30 goes 3 times. 3 sevens, 21, which is equal to 11 over 30, sir.
But wouldn't we get a negative?
Sir, you get negative 11 because
Yeah.
it would be negative 11.
There's no one a bigger number from a smaller number, sir. So you have to do something to the fraction.
Let me show you a different approach, guys. What happened? Why that couldn't work? Because 1/3 is actually less than 7/10. So 7/10 is greater. So that's why that run up in that. But what we could have done, I haven't taught you guys this as yet. We have to convert this. Improper. We say
Yes, sir, which will give you 9 over 3.
1 to the 1. But you have to add the 1, right?
Oh, 10 over 3, sir.
3
And
times
then
3 is not.
multiply 2 times 10, that's 20 plus 7
27 over 10.
over 10. And then now we find the LCM, which is 30 for real.
Sir, 3 can go into 27.
Yeah, and then 3 into 30 goes 10 times. So we're going to multiply 10 times 10.
100. 10 times 10 is 100.
Yeah. And then 10 into this goes 3 times. So we multiply 27 by 3. So 3 sevens, 21.
81.
3 2 6, and that 81. So now we can subtract, which will give us what? 100 take away 81. Wouldn't that be 19, guys?
Yes, sir, 19.
19.
It's actually D. Good try though, good try. I know because you guys have not done that part, but I will show you guys that shortly, alright? Next week, probably. Alright, because you're on fraction now. Go ahead now. 4.5 times 3 1/3.
Sir, can I solve 20?
Oh, I think Kira had asked for this one. Or Kira.
Yes. Plus 0.
Kira, yeah. Number 19 we at, guys. Number 19.
Sir, can I go back to 18 so I can write it off?
Okay. Well, give me 1 second, guys. Alright, this part.
Sir, 8. Thank you, sir.
All right. So can we go back down now? All right. Thanks so much.
So I got my answer.
All right. Thanks.
Also, can I explain 20, please?
Yeah, man. You can. I think we have about 4 minutes each.
Sir, I don't even know what's happening today because most of the questions, like, I don't understand most of them.
Okay. So you want to move on this one to Lakoy, like how you had asked?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead, Lakoy.
Okay, so first of all, you have to turn both of the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 4.5 would be 9/2, as 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9/2. And then plus 1 is 10/. Also, sir, this is my way of doing it. How we taught it in class, because I was so
No, man, you can share with us. It's okay.
so now you have to cancel. 3 into itself goes 1 time, and 3 into 9 goes 3 times. 1 time, and 2 into 10 goes 5 times. Then you multiply everything. 3 times 5 is 15 over 1, which is also known as 15.
Correct. I will show you the rest of this. All right, guys. We don't reach there yet, but I'll show you. So it's 4 times 2, 8 plus 1. We have to convert it. And then the rule says numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. We only look at the proper one so far. So by next week, everyone will be able to do it. Lakai, you want to take us through this one again?
So I'm not finished as yet.
Okay. Who wants to take us through this one?
You didn't teach us that yet.
Yeah, but you can adapt, right? Based on this, you have to convert. Just transfer the knowledge of what we use here. We convert them, right? Until you have improper. So wouldn't it be the same approach to convert 2 and 1/3 to improper? Only thing you would have to know the rule for division.
Excuse me, sir. Can you bring it back down, please?
All right.
Give the options.
I don't even know what I'm even doing.
Oh, sir, I got the answer. It'll be 4 and 2/3.
All right. So walk us through it.
So first of all, you have to turn the mixed number, which is 2, and the third into improper one, which would be 7/3, because 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7/3. And then you have to find the reciprocal, which means to flip the fraction. So that would be 2/1. The second fraction would be 2/1. Oh, also you have to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. And then you just multiply everything else, which will be 14/3, and you turn it into a mixed fraction.
So 3 into 14.
4 times. Leaves a remainder of 2/3.
Yeah, correct. All right, so guys, the rule with division is that we have to write back the first fraction. So after we change it to mix, so 2 times 3, that's 6 plus 1, 7/3. You can write back the division first. I kind of want to show them this step record. And then now, you say, write back the first one, but then we have to change the division to multiplication. And then you see this fraction right here, the last one, we have to flip it. So 1/2 becomes 2/1. And we know numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And then the last step, we divide 14 by 3. And that will give us the answer. How many groups of 3 we can get out of 14? That would be 4, because 3, 4 is 12. So that remains 2/3. Is correct. Let's see if we can get one more, guys. You soon know how to do it. Everybody soon know. I should show you, alright? Could we do that one? Based on the thing we know. Yeah, let's see if we could do this one. We're not gonna do 22 yet. As the time won't allow us.
Sir, is class finished?
No.
You have 3 minutes leave. Yeah, it's 1 hour on a Sunday.
When it's morning class.
For both classes, it's 1 hour. Sir, when do you start your evening classes?
Sir, I'm finished.
Finish what you got?
3/7.
3/7. Alright, let's see. So guys, we have to convert this. So 1 times 7, that's 7 plus 5, that's 12/7 times a quarter. So we can either cancel, or we can multiply 12 times 1, which would be 12. And this is 7, right? So 7 4 is 28. Which number can go into 12 and 28 without a remainder?
4.
4. Very good. So we divide by 4. So this now would give us 12 divided by 4, that's 3. And 28 divided by 4, 7. Awesome job. Awesome job. So guys, don't worry. We soon shell down them here. As I said to you guys yesterday, we're going to go up to the CXC level type question with this. Last year, the students were able to do that. Alright, so you guys will be able to do it also. So guys, we're going to end for today. Good job. Continue to be awesome. And guys, please work on the one that I gave you.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, guys, I will send you guys the video.